How can I start affiliate marketing? I can tell you how definitely not to start affiliate marketing. Do not buy any courses. It's okay to buy a course when you are more experienced and when you are already a couple of, let's say, many months of, or even a couple of years down the road, when you feel that there is a particular knowledge that you would like to improve, like conversion optimization or some kind of a funnel creation, maybe email marketing, and you would like to read more on that, and you think that there is no more free information online that you can get, then you can start thinking about some specialized courses. But if you plan to start affiliate marketing, first of all, decide what type of budget you are able to start with, because it will, decide on the next steps that you'll be doing. Many people think that affiliate marketing is about a product, and I receive a lot of questions when people are asking what type of product should I promote, what affiliate network should I register, should I register to 20 affiliate programs or just one affiliate program. The truth is that it does not matter at all. It is a completely wrong perspective of looking at things. The things that you should be concentrating is how you will generate traffic. Every type of traffic can be monetized. Some traffic can be monetized in a more profitable way. For example, if you are able to get people, who are buying high-end enterprise software, obviously you can monetize this traffic very highly. On the other hand, if you are running a site where predominantly young teenagers are coming to read about Minecraft, you can also monetize it, but your monetization levels will be a little bit lower. But the point is that you start with traffic. Affiliate marketing is about traffic generation. Your whole added value as an affiliate marketer is in the traffic. And there are three main ways how you can start as an affiliate marketer, in terms of traffic generation. You have organic traffic, paid traffic, and social traffic, which is somewhere between those prior two types of traffic that I named. There is no such thing as free traffic, because either you are paying for traffic in money or you are paying for it in your time and other resources. So in case you are able to start with some kind of a budget, you can spend this budget testing pay-per-click campaigns. They are two big, let's say, monopoly behemoth in the marketing industry, and that's obviously Google and Facebook. Google has Google AdWords, which is a pay-per-click program, and Facebook has Facebook Ads, which again is a pay-per-click. What is pay-per-click? Just in short, not to expand this question for another 2 hours. Pay-per-click is essentially exactly what it tells you. It's pay-per-click. You pay for the amount of clicks that you'll be getting. So whenever I'm speaking to somebody who is starting out in affiliate marketing and he thinks what should be his first steps or her first steps, I suggest that you start with Facebook in terms of pay-per-click. Facebook has a huge variety of personalizations and filters and demographic and audience settings that you can choose, and therefore you can test in a completely different manner than if you would be going with any other type of traffic. So for pay-per-click, for example, it would be Facebook. But there you would start in a way that you will start launching campaigns, and you have to allocate a particular budget to each of the campaigns. And usually, let's say in a more difficult niches, this testing budget for each campaign can go into higher hundreds of dollars, sometimes even thousands of dollars. And for less competitive niches, it can be as low as like $5-10 a day, $30 a day, just to know if it works or not. For example, one of the very popular strategies is selling t-shirts on Facebook. It's very easy. Essentially, you just go on Teespring, you create a design which is interesting for a particular audience, and then you target that particular audience on Facebook and you just direct link it and you test it until something starts working. Obviously it sounds much easier than it actually is, but that's a start. It's not exactly affiliate marketing, it's more of a print on demand type of marketing, but the idea remains pretty much the same. You are selling a product that you did not make to the audience that you have never seen before. So this would be one type of start for an affiliate marketer. But lately, Facebook and Google and Pinterest and Twitter and all the sites they provide you with a pay-per-click platforms are quite smart. And you would be limiting yourself if you would be direct linking to the affiliate offer. First of all, a lot of your ads may not be approved. It does not apply to Teespring, for example. Teespring and I believe Redbubble is the name of the other print-on-demand store. Both of them work well. But if you will be promoting an actual affiliate offer from an affiliate network like ShareASale, CJ, Impact, or something like that, it is much better to have a page. The answer on how can I start affiliate marketing is to actually start affiliate marketing. It is good to read the guide, it is good to browse through the forums, but do not spend more than a couple of days on it. Affiliate marketing is predominantly about testing, failing quickly, and testing again. So when you are starting out, buy a domain, buy hosting, start a blog in a niche that you did a little bit of research on and you think that is not too competitive, but still can be monetizable. I could make a series of videos on how to identify, let's say, a good niche, but this, let's say, is a start. You can start with the things that you enjoy doing and see if there are any affiliate offers in that market and how many websites are in that market. And when you kind of focused on a particular niche or a group of niches, create a website, load it with a little bit of content, and then start toying around with pay-per-click. Because this brings us to our next point. When you're actually creating your website, you are also kind of making your first step into organic traffic. Organic traffic is a holy grail of traffic because in most cases is the most actionable type of traffic. But let's say the big disadvantage is that it takes very long time before you can generate some serious numbers, or your niche is so uncompetitive or so low with potential competition that the chances are that it's not really monetizable. But when you create a blog, you're actually making your first steps in this whole let's say space, or in this whole world of organic traffic, which is another name for Google. Over 90% of all the searches is happening on Google. Over 70% of all the clicks that the searches generate are ending in the top 3 results in Google. So this is your ultimate goal, to focus on the keywords that monetize, that are able to deliver sales, and get your page as a result to these keywords in the top of Google search results. And the last point, the social media, this is a bit tricky one. You have to have that particular personality or that idea to pull it off, because obviously you can create a Facebook page, you can start throwing around some links and some posts, but without paid promotion you would not really achieve anything significant. Alternatively, if you feel that you could potentially be like a really good person for a TikTok, or you already have some kind of a following, that's definitely a start. You can grow your following on Instagram, TikTok, other platforms if you prefer them, and then when your audience reach a particular level, you can start putting affiliate links in your posts and promoting them. If you look at any top Instagrammer or TikToker and just go through their posts a little bit, you will see or some kind of a shout out, meaning that they are promoting another Instagram channel, or from time to time in their bio you would see some affiliate links when they are selling their own merch or they are trying to sell a merch of another company. So this is the thing, or how you would go about it with the social media. So if you're planning to start with affiliate marketing, start by building your page, test pay-per-click, and focus on generating organic traffic, because organic traffic generation is a long-term thing. It's not something that will happen in a couple of weeks. If you are very lucky, it will happen, or the traffic will start coming in a couple of months, but usually it takes, let's say, 8 to 12 months for your site to get properly indexed, and if you played your cards right, to be properly positioned in the Google top results.